Hey guys, what's up? I hope you can see the difference in the quality of the video because I got a new phone. I got it on Black Friday, which is kind of fitting for this video because it's a Black Friday haul. I don't really go that hard on Black Friday. I mostly go like the hardest on Boxing Day, which is basically like Canada's equivalent of Black Friday. All right, I'm gonna start with the first store I went to, which is Lucky Brand. I went inside and it had 50% off, so I was like, that's a really good deal. It kind of looks like a grandma sweater, but it actually looks really cute. The sleeves are a little bit more like puffy, as you can see. It's really cute. It's a brown color. It's so soft, like it just feels so soft. The next shirt I got was also from Lucky Brand and it was like 10 bucks. It was such a good deal. It's this light pink shirt and it's really soft. Like all of their clothes are so soft. It says just like a whole bunch of things like in embroidery. Just a good old t-shirt. It was so cheap. I think it's cute and it's pretty soft. So I also got this. And then I went to Garage. It also recently merged with Dynamite. I think, yeah, so I don't really know what to call it exactly, but Garage and Dynamite are together now, so I got this from Dynamite. And it is this like kind of, okay, I showed my friend and she was like, it's called a duster. I'll stand up in my chair to show you, but it's basically like a long coat. Oh my gosh, I don't have the abs to balance on this. Okay, it's like this. And yeah, so basically it's just like a transitional coat. It's like, I don't know, just gray. It's really like warm and I think it's like, looks really chic. I don't know, it reminds me of something I get at Aritzia and I got it for super cheap at Dynamite. Next I went to Roots. Oh my gosh, Roots is like one of my favorite stores. It is probably like the love of my life. I'm not even kidding. Like I wear sweatpants so much and like Roots has the best sweatpants. Like, I don't think I'll ever find sweatpants better than Roots sweatpants. I think I also got a pair last year. I put it in last year's Black Friday haul. But this year I got the black salt and pepper. Yeah, it's the original sweatpants style, which I like because it's less baggy. It's a little bit more slim, but it's not so slim because it's still sweatpants, but it's really comfortable. It has fuzzy stuff on the inside. I went to the Nike outlet next. They had such a good deal. I don't know if you guys actually care about the deals or not. I'm just super excited about them, so I thought I'd share, but like, I don't know if you actually care. I got this like Nike sweatshirt. It was originally $95, went to $49, and then I got it for $30. I don't know, I thought it was cute. So anyways, this is a size medium. I got a size medium because it was the smallest size they had left, and also it was like more baggy style. I went to Ardene's or Ardennes. I think it's Ardennes, but I say Ardene's because I don't know, I think Ardennes sounds stupid. But I got things for my dance costume. So basically at school I have like a dance performance thing every year, and this year we're dancing to the song Fame, and it's like 80s, so I have to get like 80s dancer stuff. So all of this was for the costume. It wasn't for like personal wear, I guess. But I got a pair of these turquoise tights for under my bodysuit because I thought, why not? Yeah, there's not really much to explain. I got turquoise tights for the costume. I also got some pink leg warmers, so I'll have turquoise tights with pink leg warmers. And then also on top of that, I bought this pinky red bright cropped sweatshirt to go on top of it. So yeah. Oh, and I also got something else. I have to run downstairs and get it though. Okay, so I got the body butter trio thing from the Body Shop. It's like a gift set, but I'm just gonna use it for myself because it was such a good deal. I just ran out of my other body butter actually. I'm gonna smell this one because I've never smelled it before. Almond milk and honey. What? It all shifted over to one side, so I only get like half. Okay, well that's a ripoff. Oh my god, it smells so good. Actually, surprisingly smells exactly like almond milk and honey, so that's accurate. So I'm gonna show you guys the box again. This is the iPhone XS. It just says iPhone on the side. I don't know why. I got in this silver color and 64 gigs. Inside, you just get all your regular stuff. And also I got a case. Where is it? I got this case, the OtterBox Symmetry clear case. I took it out so you can't see it, but it basically is just a clear case. But I love the OtterBox Symmetry collection. If you guys want a case that's so protective but like isn't bulky or anything, I highly recommend OtterBox Symmetry. Wow, I never realized what a difference in camera quality there was until I started filming on here and here. But this is my 10S. This is what it looks like. Okay, hello. Okay, this is what it looks like. You guys probably all know what it looks like. Got the silver color. I think it's so pretty, and I got the clear case on it as well. I got the 5S here, the 10S here. The 5S is actually the first phone I've ever had. I got that in grade 8. This is my second phone. I'm in grade 12 now. And this is, the 5S is also the first phone, like, what am I saying? The phone that I started my YouTube channel on. I've filmed like most of my videos on this phone. When I first started, I filmed on like the little camcorder thing. I actually got it right here, I'll show you. I filmed on this, but then I realized the iPhone quality was just as good, if not better than this. So I started filming on my iPhone. I don't know, maybe it's stupid to get attached to a phone, but it's just like, YouTube is something I care a lot about, and like this is the phone that started it all. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!
Wrist looking like it been dipped. Dipping that, dipping that, dipping that. Script looking like it been flipped. Flipping that, flipping that, flipping that.